Hapdeng ke jingmi ke jingso persai ke kom yaj pat embahe ki han lani ke VIP culture berkentup na ke minister ki MLA ki officer IAS bat MCS ke sarkar jilla uba Sñiawbhalang dar sembut Myntri rangba beri pej ikterat urban affairs aka arfoi trek nai wieng arja apsau lale kumbom bana halor ke neki jingentho VIP culture ulang bau tip ki Myntri ki MLA ki officer IAS bat MCS bat umdan jingtip wei tau VIP Labu jingkeli kai kata ka VIP culture manu kita ki VIP berkila bandai ki MLA ni ki officer ber benrap bagi dei ki brio berkinong elam ha gejela kecingbom sengohon halo Kolshor VIP kelawan rak kecingdawa ber penggela bagadi kelayat bah ki rensan social media hading ke jingca keno syatan ra uwei usamla nyabat hadu bon dayap hak kali pulit ke bapahara yu Myntri ketra tourism uba polung do kat bau tei usamla udang ya ki benta ka ICR syakata masa cherry blossom hak janmit khasantrik noiweng arajar arpsau.
The government has been accused by many of the VIP culture. So,
what is VIP culture? I don't know. Tell me. What is VIP culture? Who's the VIP? VIP is your MLAs, your officers, maybe whoever may be. It's the people. It's the people leaders of the state. It does not mean that they are VIP in what sense? It's the people who elect their leaders and is the leader of the states and is the leader of the people. We didn't know what is VIP culture also. We just know that it's MLA, minister, IAS officer, MCS, that is we know.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya